Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Land Rover Discovery. The first thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out for the bottom there. So over here you've got telephone there, you've got your audio media system there. If we click on telephone, you'll see a list of phones that are already paired to it, and then pair new device. So we'll click pair new device. Use your device to search for Land Rover Discovery. So watching out at the bottom here, it's come up hands-free, and we'll probably change unless it's picked up another car on the forecourt. There you go, Land Rover Discovery. So we'll click on Land Rover Discovery. Bluetooth pairing request, it matches there, so we click pair and yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, and there you go. Barry's iPhone 12 at the top.